with the Miles resources will always be exam ready because it's always similar to the real exam. My name is Abiah Zahid and I'm from Kerala. I did my bachelor's from University of Calicut, Mercy College, and then I'm a certified management accountant. I used to watch the videos thrice, like 3 times. Okay, so the first time I just listened to his lectures, and the second time I compared it with the notes, and then the third time I jot down any extra information that he is telling during the lectures. So the online webinar and the doubt clearing sessions organized were very helpful. I needed that Varun Jain vibe in my life to get through that day. That was like a definite thing that I needed. It was so like he was so fun while teaching with all those magic tricks. I still remember the statements in my mind, like whatever he told me. It was still, registered. Even the note taking tips, those were very helpful, like highlighting and writing down. Everything was preparing ourselves for the exam. CMA matlab miles.